Hey there, you're welcome to Scudemy. Today's video focuses on data cleaning. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our page for more subsequent and more educative content on data analytics. Alright, so data cleaning in Excel helps you to take out all unnecessary contents or in your data sets. Okay, so this is our data set. You can click on the link in under the comment section. You can click on the link under the comment section to download the data set and try your hands on. Alright, so this is a data set that has an inventory of our suppliers, the quantity we purchase from them, the unit cost, and the selling price, and all that. Alright, so let's look at whether our data set that we have over here is clean. Now, the first thing I would want us to check is to take out duplicates. So in removing duplicates, you come to data sets, then you click on this arrow, remove duplicates, then you select. Now it tells us that we have one duplicate values found and removed. Now we have 136 unique values remain, so we want to remove them. We remove the duplicate, so when I check again, there wouldn't be any duplicates, so we do not have duplicates. So that's the first thing. Now when you look at your data set over here, you realize that some of our writings, some of the names that you have over here, for instance, the spaces in between them, it's too much, they are too large. So we'll insert a line, we'll insert a column over here, then we create same column over here for the supplier, but this is what we are going to do. Now we are going to trim. So there's this function we call trim. So we are going to trim so that we have everything written properly. Now you realize that everything that you have over here is well written. So this is one way to delete empty spaces or to delete unwanted spaces in Excel. Now you realize that this column takes a function from this side. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to copy and we replace. When you are done, then we delete this side so that we still maintain our supplier. So that is the first thing. Then also you still realize that some of the names of the items that you have over here, some contain capital letters, some contain just normal sentences and all that. We want to position everything to be proper, so go ahead to insert another column over here. Then we use a function we call proper. Okay, so we use a function that we call proper. So you realize that our kingdom books is caps over here, but it is proper and it situates everything. And again, we copy and we paste everything back so that we take out the formulas that we have in here. So we maintain it this way. Alright, so we have all the data set and everything set. So you realize that we have done most of the cleaning that we have over here and everything is in order. Now let's say we want to round up everything to 0 so that we do not have decimals. Okay, we do not have decimals in our data set. So what we are going to do is to have another column inserted here. You realize that this one has decimals, so we use the round up. And we round it up to 0. So we are rounding this column and we are rounding it up to 0. Okay, so you realize that every single thing that we have here has been rounded up. So simple and easy. We copy it and we paste it. So we take out this column and I have our selling price column over here. So this is how basically we conduct data cleaning in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.